Hello everyone! Today you will see the new Audi Q4 Sportback e-tron in a bold crimson red metallic, a compact electric SUV coupe designed to combine style, efficiency, and futuristic luxury. If you want more futuristic car reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go! From the front view, the Q4 Sportback e-tron instantly stands out with its aggressive stance and illuminated Audi grille. The glowing four rings shine proudly in the middle, while razor-sharp LED matrix headlights frame the face like futuristic eyes. The crimson paint adds a dynamic energy, making the compact SUV look athletic and premium at the same time. Moving to the rear view, the flowing roofline leads into a sculpted tail with a continuous LED strip stretching across its width. The illuminated bar gives the Q4 a futuristic light signature, while the sporty bumper and diffuser hint at its performance character. From the side profile, the coupe-like silhouette is unmistakable. The sloping roof merges seamlessly with muscular shoulders, and the futuristic alloys complete the sleek proportions. Despite its compact dimensions, the Q4 Sportback feels bold and luxurious, like a smaller sibling of the flagship Q8. Step inside the interior, and you're greeted by a high-tech lounge. The cabin feels futuristic yet welcoming, with floating digital displays, ambient crimson lighting, and Bentley-inspired leather trim. Looking under the hood, the Q4 Sportback hides a compact but advanced electric motor setup. Engineered for urban agility, it delivers instant torque and impressive efficiency. From the full perspective view, the crimson red Q4 Sportback e-tron shows its true character: sporty, futuristic, and premium. It's not just a compact SUV, it's a vision of everyday electric luxury brought into the future. That was the review of the Audi Q4 Sportback e-tron. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more futuristic car reviews, because this is just the beginning of Audi's electric future.